So if you just got a nail in your tire or a screw in your tire and you have a plug kit like this and you decide to plug it and you're wondering, is it safe to drive on this plug now and how long can I drive on it for? So the quick answer is yes, it should be safe to drive on as long as you followed the instructions on your plug kit and you plugged it correctly. The big thing is just make sure the hole is repairable in the first place. If it's on the sidewall, you're not allowed to, you're not allowed to, I guess you're not able to fix that. So you can't fix anything that's on the sidewall here. If it's on the tread here, anywhere on the tread, you're able to plug that. So next up, you just make sure that the hole is small enough in order to accept the plug here. So the rule is usually about 1/4 of an inch or smaller, you should be able to plug. Anything bigger than that, you'll probably have to take it to a tire shop and actually get it either patched on the inside or replaced completely. But if you do this on the side of the road and you plug this in and you put your air compressor back up and fill this thing back up with to the correct air pressure, and the air is holding, then that means that the plug was accepted and you shouldn't have any issues worrying about driving down the road. But as always, probably take it to a tire shop as soon as possible just to have them inspect the plug, just to make sure that they think it's going to hold. Otherwise, they could probably replace the plug for you or put a patch on the inside, which would make it more permanent.